National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northeastern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Merrillville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The storm produced a tornado earlier near Dyer. Another thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located 3 miles north of Valparaiso and moving to the northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lake Station, Lakes of the Four Seasons and New Chicago around 4:55 p.m. Hobart and Wheeler around 5:05 p.m. Ogden Dunes around 5:10 p.m. Portage, Burns Harbor, South Haven and Lincoln Hills around 5:15 p.m. Valparaiso and Chesterton around 5:20 p.m. Porter and KVPZ around 5:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Dune Acres. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Valparaiso University, Indiana Dunes State Park, and Porter County Fairgrounds. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 10 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 17 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 250 and 261. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.